Hello everyone, this is the final lab and you came to the final point. I will go to the lab 4. We use PY table to analyze the data from XBRL database. As we all know, the SEC already provide a standard tax for each company to tax their accounting data. But some of the company they will have their own accounting items because they have their own different stuff to record. So some of the tags we may not have their standard format. So we need to find all of those tags if we want to do our investment analysis or financial analysis overall. So we just need to get their customer specific tag, customized tag, specific tag. To do this, we can just simply use SQL query and to query from the XBRL database for all the tags that is similar to the normalized tag you want. And if you do not know enough knowledge about SQL query, we provide you a simpler way. We use Excel PY table. Or you can just try to do more using SQL query to do that. And here we just want to give you a subset of XBRL database. You have two files, access file and XBRL leak file. As we mentioned earlier in access, we have many things about access. So in this tutorial, we just want to show you the access database, just like this file. We do not have many firms and reports, we just have tables, so that is enough for here. We have everything, the data, and then we can go to the database store to view their relationships. We have many entities, and we have all the stuff we need, and we just need to use the Excel help us to pull some data we want, and then we go back to the tutorial. So the questions, we just want you to find the specific tag we want. And here we just identify several questions. For example, the first question asks you to find some interesting interesting XBRL tags and filter data to view a subset based on your criteria. And second one, if we don't know how to use SQL query, how to use that, actually we have answered it. We just use PY table. And then we go to already I provide the answer here. So we then go to the part 2, master data. So this is actually the subset of the overall XBRL database because they are very large. So right here we want you to simpler to modify the data, so we just provide a smaller subset. And here we have all the entity, and we have all the attributes. I have the description here. And then we're going to connect it with the Excel to filter the data out. So you just need to go to your Excel, go to data, and from access, and then find our access file. We go back to the step. And click OK. Click OK. Alright, and then we are able to select one table or multiple table. Because some tables they may have some like foreign key to connect it with each other, so maybe we need to select multiple table based on our interests, based on our requirements, based on our needs. So here we want you to select two tables. You can see we just select the two tables. We need to check this checkbox and select entity and filling. Click OK. And also follow those steps and PY table report. Click OK. and then we just need to wait because so large database takes some time for Excel to reflect it, to react it. And then we have all the data, we just drag and drop and to get the data we want. And you just need to follow those steps. So you just need to take a screenshots to show the result of your PY table. Just drag a little bit, follow those directions, you will get the result. And the second one is ask you to get some specific tag, and we also do the same thing, connect to the table. And right here, from this is step number 18. After you do the things below, you will get like this page. You will get row labels, and in that we choose filters, and we also get label filters. We can choose contents, start with, begin with some keywords, such as we want those contents tag, contents cache. You can just click table filters, label filters, and click contents, and input caching it. So all these things have been filtered based on your requirements. And then you just need to click OK and take a screenshot of your result. So this is your done for lab 4B. And the final step, we just want you to select the tag, begin with the cache. So only difference is you just need to select begin with and input caching it, and also take a screenshot, and then you get the tag. And in future, if you want to do more analysis, you can add more specific keywords based on your personal needs. And or you can also learn more about the SQL query to do it more efficiently. Thank you. So that is all for your lab.